Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a double screen. First, physically connect your second monitor to your computer. Most modern graphics cards support at least 2 displays. Next, open your operating system's display settings. Make sure both monitors are recognized. Finally, set your display mode to extend these displays. This creates one large desktop area across both screens, which is crucial for our setup. This initial step lays the groundwork for a seamless dual-monitor gaming experience. Once Fortnite is running, navigate to the game's video settings. This is where we'll tell Fortnite how to behave with your 2 screens. Crucially, change the display mode to windowed full screen. This allows the game to occupy one screen while still letting you easily move your mouse to the second. Then, ensure your primary gaming monitor is selected as the main display. This setup prevents the game from stretching across both screens, keeping your focus on the action. Now that your setup is ready, let's talk about how to best use that second screen. This display is perfect for all your supplementary needs. You can drag applications like Discord, a web browser for maps, or your streaming chat onto it. This keeps your main Fortnite screen clean and focused entirely on the game. Imagine having a live map or your friend's voices visible without ever minimizing Fortnite. It truly enhances your overall gaming environment. To maximize your double-screen Fortnite experience, here are a few pro tips. First, fine-tune your mouse sensitivity. This helps prevent your cursor from accidentally drifting onto the second screen during intense moments. Second, if possible, use a larger primary monitor for an even more immersive gameplay. Finally, confirm your graphics card can comfortably handle rendering 2 displays simultaneously. Most modern cards can, but it's always good to check for optimal performance and smooth frame rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.